What are the possible causes of a FaceTime camera not working and how can I fix it?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the possible causes of a FaceTime camera not working and some solutions to fix it. If you're having trouble with your FaceTime camera, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in.
Is the camera hardware functioning properly?
The first thing to check is whether the camera hardware itself is functioning properly. Here are a few things you can try. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve camera issues. Give it a try and see if it makes a difference. Check for physical damage. Inspect your camera for any physical damage or obstructions that might be blocking it. Clean the lens with a soft, lint-free cloth to ensure clarity. Ensure camera is not disabled. On some devices, you can disable the camera through system settings. Make sure the camera is enabled and not blocked by any settings or restrictions.
Are there any software issues?
If the camera hardware appears to be working fine, the issue might be related to software. Let's explore some potential software causes and solutions. Update your device. Outdated software can sometimes lead to camera malfunctions. Check for any available updates and install them to ensure you have the latest software version. Reset FaceTime settings. Resetting the FaceTime settings can often resolve software-related issues. Go to your device's settings, find the FaceTime section, and look for options to reset or restore FaceTime settings. Check camera permissions. Ensure that FaceTime and other relevant apps have the necessary permissions to access the camera. You can adjust these settings in the privacy section of your device settings.
Is there a connectivity problem?
In some cases, a connectivity issue might be causing problems with your FaceTime camera. Let's explore a couple of areas to troubleshoot. Check your internet connection. A stable and reliable internet connection is crucial for FaceTime to work properly. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Restart your router. If you're experiencing connection issues, try restarting your Wi-Fi router or switching to a different network to see if that resolves the problem.
Seeking professional help.
If you've tried all the previous solutions and your FaceTime camera is still not working, it might be time to seek professional assistance. Contact the Apple support team or visit an authorized service center to get expert help with diagnosing and resolving the issue. That wraps up our video on the possible causes of a FaceTime camera not working and how you can fix it. Remember to check the camera hardware, consider any software-related issues, troubleshoot connectivity problems, and seek professional help if needed. We hope this video has been helpful, and your FaceTime camera will be up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.